All right, so those are some important comments coming in from the U.S. Treasury Secretary. But moving on, the cooler than expected U.S. inflation data also pushed up the U.S. dollar index, and it put it under pressure, which has led to the rupee opening at a fresh 7-week high. In fact, all the Asian currencies have been surging. So Lata is here with all of the details on the money market moves. Lata.
Big rally is seen in the rupee. It is at now 7-week highs. And this is in concert with all Asian currencies, largely because, of course, of the dollar fall. Now, the added advantage for India is that because of the return of risk appetite, one sees more dollar inflows as well from the FPIs. But it's possible that in this leg, the Indian rupee may underperform the Asian currencies like the Korean won. One, because those, underperformed all this while, and therefore there is more reason for them to rally. Also, they are more dovetailed to the rise in the US economy. And that's why the rupee is also seen as a safe harbor. And therefore, at a time when all currencies are rallying, we may rally a little less. The chances in the immediate run are that exporters will panic because your 83 is nowhere around the corner and they may come in and sell. So a bit of overshoot all the way towards 80 is expected. Where the Reserve Bank comes in is what the market would be most interested. The last time the Reserve Bank bought was at 78.50. So we will have to see when they draw the line in the sand. After all, they will also want to refurbish their reserves. A quick word on bonds as well. 10 basis point fall, and why not? The bond yields in the US have fallen by almost 35 basis points, and therefore a sentimental fall in Indian yields is also expected. So now the bond prices are also at 7-week highs. But here again, there are auctions, and there are auctions coming. Fertilizer deficits are high. So perhaps the rally will be limited, but a rally nevertheless.
A rally nevertheless. Lata, thanks a lot for getting us all of those details. But with that, let's also hear out what Jahangir Aziz of JP Morgan had to say on this move that we've seen in the rupee.